Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $500? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printer under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Creality Ender 3 Max Neo. The Creality Ender 3 Max Neo is a robust FDM 3D printer designed for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality, large-format prints. It offers a spacious build volume of 300 by 300 by 320 mm, approximately 11.8 by 11.8 by 12.6 inches, accommodating a variety of projects from intricate models to larger prototypes. The printer features CR Touch Auto Leveling, which precisely measures and adjusts the bed height across 25 points for consistent first layers, while the dual Z-axis system enhances stability and ensures uniform layer alignment. Its full metal Bowden extruder provides reliable filament extrusion and supports a wide range of materials. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface, and with 96% of the printer pre-assembled, setup is quick and easy. Additional features include resume printing after power outages and a filament sensor to prevent failed prints, making the Ender 3 Max Neo a dependable and efficient choice for high-quality 3D printing. Number 2. ELEGOO MAS for MSLA. The ELEGOO MAS for MSLA 3D printer is a high-performance resin printer designed for hobbyists and professionals seeking exceptional detail and precision. It features a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD with an 8520 by 4320 resolution and 18 micrometers XY resolution, delivering crisp and intricate prints. The printer has a build volume of 153.36 by 77.76 by 175 mm, approximately 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.89 inches, providing ample space for a variety of projects. Its COB light source, consisting of 36 LEDs beneath the monochrome LCD, ensures uniform UV light distribution for consistent and accurate prints. The robust Z-axis, driven by a linear guide rail, reduces layer texture and enhances surface smoothness, while the laser-engraved build plate improves adhesion and simplifies model removal. A 3.5-inch touchscreen with model preview and a real-time progress bar allows users to monitor and adjust prints easily. Priced at approximately $299.86, the MAS combines high-resolution printing, stable performance, and user-friendly features, making it a reliable and efficient choice for resin 3D printing. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra S1 3D printer is a versatile and high-performance FDM printer designed for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking speed, precision, and ease of use. It features a Core XY motion system housed in a fully enclosed frame, ensuring stability and reduced vibrations during high-speed operations. With a build volume of 250 by 250 by 250 mm, it offers ample space for a variety of printing projects. The printer supports a maximum print speed of 600 mm per second, making it one of the faster options available in its category. Equipped with a 320 degrees Celsius hot end and a 120 degrees Celsius heated bed, the Kobra S1 is compatible with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and ASA. Its 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen provides an intuitive interface for easy operation. For enhanced user experience, the printer is compatible with the Anycubic app, allowing for one-click printing and remote monitoring. The Kobra S1 operates at a quiet 44 dB, ensuring minimal noise during operation. Priced at approximately $399, it offers a compelling combination of speed, precision, and user-friendly features. Number 4. Sovol SV0 for IDEX 3D Printer. The Sovol SV0 for IDEX 3D printer is a versatile and budget-friendly option for enthusiasts and professionals seeking independent dual extrusion capabilities. Equipped with 2 all-metal direct drive extruders, it allows for simultaneous multimaterial or multicolor printing, supporting a wide range of filaments including PLA, TPU, ABS, PETG, and PVA. The printer boasts a generous build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, accommodating larger projects. Its 32-bit silent motherboard with TMC2209 stepper drivers ensures smooth and quiet operation, while features like auto bed leveling and dual Z-axis motors enhance print accuracy and ease of use. The SV04 is compatible with various slicers, including Prusa Slicer and Cura, and offers multiple printing modes such as single, dual, mirror, and duplicate. Priced competitively, it provides excellent value for those looking to explore multimaterial 3D printing without a hefty investment. Number 5. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is an entry-level FDM 3D printer designed for beginners and educational environments, offering a user-friendly experience with several notable features. It comes fully assembled, allowing users to start printing shortly after setup. The printer boasts a removable heated build plate measuring 150 by 150 by 150 mm, suitable for small to medium-sized projects. Its 2.8-inch color touchscreen provides an intuitive interface for operation. The Voxel supports a variety of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and specialty filaments like woodfill and copperfill. It offers a layer resolution range from 0.05 to 0.4 mm, enabling detailed prints. Connectivity options include USB flash drive, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet, facilitating flexible file transfers. The printer's internal 8 GB memory allows for storing multiple print files, reducing the need for constant reloading. Its compact and fully enclosed design helps maintain consistent printing conditions, which is particularly beneficial when working with temperature-sensitive materials. Priced competitively, the Monoprice Voxel provides a solid foundation for those new to 3D printing, combining ease of use with reliable performance.